In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share screen with full audio on Google Meet. If you've ever tried to play a video, a podcast clip, or a piece of music during a meeting, and people could see your screen but couldn't hear anything clearly, this walkthrough will make sure your visuals and sound come through together, the way you intended. First, join your Google Meet call as you normally would. It helps to have the content you plan to show already open and ready, like a video loaded in a browser tab or a media player paused at the right moment, so you can start smoothly when you begin presenting. Once you are in the meeting and set to share, look along the bottom of the screen for the Present Now icon. It looks like a rectangle with an upward arrow. Click that to open your sharing choices. You'll be offered two options: a tab or a window. Both work, but here is an important difference. Selecting a tab gives you the best audio quality in Google Meet, because it routes the sound straight from that specific browser tab into the call. This is ideal for streaming a video or playing music. Choosing a window shares an application window instead, which is useful if your content isn't in a browser. Just keep in mind that audio quality can vary depending on the app, and you will share everything visible in that window. After you choose the option that fits your content, a pop-up will display the available tabs or windows. Before you move on, look for the toggle labeled Also Share Tab Audio. This is the critical switch that sends your tab or window's sound to the meeting. Make sure it's turned on. If it's off, participants will see your screen but won't hear the full direct audio feed. With the toggle enabled, click Share. Your selection goes live to everyone in the call, and any media you play in that tab or window will be heard clearly. Google Meet mixes your microphone with the shared audio, so you can narrate over a video or add context while music plays. For the best experience, set the volume in the media player or tab to a comfortable level. And remember that only the sound from the chosen tab or window is captured. Other background apps won't be included. That's the complete process. Thanks for watching.